96% of India's population lives in the villages. The upliftment of the villages is an urgent need today. A proper refuge is still eluding the reach of the rural masses. Thatch roof. Most of the houses in villages have thatch roofs. These roofs are neither water resistant nor fire resistant. In order to prevent water leakage, polythene sheets are spread out on the roofs. The thatch is made up of coconut leaves, wheat straw, paddy straw, palmyra leaves, or any other suitable, locally available material. During the preparation of a thatch roof, the straw is laid uniformly on a frame of split bamboo and tied with a sutli or any other strong string. This ties the straw firmly with the bamboo frame. The prepared thatch roof is mounted over the mud wall of the house. For placement of this monolithic unit safely, appropriate manpower is required. The thatch is generally laid in a slant to enable quick and easy drainage of water. In order to make the thatch water and fire resistant, its surface is plastered with non-erodible mud plaster. To fill up the minute cracks in this plaster, a layer of gobri lep is applied on it. Mud house. Mud houses are a common sight in rural areas. These are made with mud bricks of irregular shape held by mud mortar taken out from the local ponds. As the bricks are irregular, large quantity of mud mortar is required. The irregularity of bricks gives a rough finish to the walls. However, these mud constructions get eroded during rainy season and other extremes of climate. Thus, these constructions require regular maintenance every year. Negligence in replastering of the house leads to its deterioration and reduction in structural strength. This problem can be easily rectified by using non-erodible mud plaster. The main constituents of this plaster are soil and bhusa. Bhusa and dry soil are mixed thoroughly in the ratio of 1:16 by weight. Water is added to this mixture to attain complete mixing. Mixing is done with the help of feet and a spade. The mixture is kept wet for about 10 to 14 days till the bhusa decomposes. Kneading is done by feet 2 to 3 times every day during this period. The mixture is also turned over from time to time. helps in attaining proper consistency of the mortar and increasing its workability. Decomposition of bhusa helps in increasing the binding capacity of the mortar. To make this ordinary mud mortar non-erodible, bitumen, wax and kerosene are added to it. Bitumen is heated till it melts. Wax is then added to this melted bitumen. This mixture is heated till the wax also melts and mixed with the bitumen. Continuous stirring is done during this process. Kerosene, which acts as a thinner, is then added to this mixture. 53 kilos of bitumen and 10.5 litre of kerosene per cubic meter of dry soil are required. 1% paraffin wax by weight of bitumen and oil is added. The hot mixture now obtained is spread uniformly over the mud slurry and mixed thoroughly with it. Once this mixture is ready, it becomes workable, glossy and durable. The surface to be plastered is roughened and wetted before applying the non-erodible mud plaster. The prepared mixture is then applied to this roughened and wet surface. This plaster is finished with gobri lep to fill up the minute cracks. Though this plaster costs about 3 times more than ordinary mud plaster, which generally lasts for a period of 1 year only, the former lasts for 8 to 10 years. Brick houses. For making bricks, clay is prepared by various processes such as digging, cleaning, weathering, blending and temping. After the clay attains a proper degree of hardness, it is molded in brick molds. Sufficiently dried raw bricks are stacked for sun drying. After they have reached the bone dry stage, they are stacked in a kiln for burning. Here, they are burnt at a temperature of 1100 degrees centigrade. These burnt bricks are now ready for use. They are transported from here to the point of construction. bricks are laid in mud, cement and lime mortar for construction purposes. In order to prevent dampness and for protecting these brick constructions, either pointing or cement plastering is done. For hygiene and aesthetics, plastering on the inside of the walls is done. After this, color or whitewash is applied to these plastered surfaces. For economic construction of roof in rural houses, prefabricated reinforced brick panels are laid over precast RCC beams. The overall cost of these panels does not exceed 10% of the cost of a thatch roof of the same size in the long run. Brick batten roofs require more maintenance, while reinforced cement concrete construction is more costly. Reinforced brick panels cost 20 to 30% less than RCC. Stone blocks. Another new practice of construction is solid stone masonry blocks. These blocks are used where stones are available in abundance and bricks are costly. Solid stone masonry block construction has an aesthetic view. The undressed stone masonry laid without mortar is unsafe, whereas construction in mortar is very costly. Stone masonry block walling is 15 to 20% cheaper than random rubble masonry. Another practice is chisel dressed stones, which is also relatively costly. Hilly areas are more suitable for solid stone masonry construction. Slate houses. The slate pieces, being larger in size and thin, are used in roofs, lintel on openings, in addition to walls. Nature has gifted hilly areas with abundance of water, which has led to large-scale forests and hence excessive availability of timber. Timber houses are specially favored in seismic areas where lightweight construction is required. Either good quality timber or properly seasoned lower quality timber should be used for construction purposes. Usually, double-storied construction is preferred in hilly regions. First floor for living purposes and ground floor for livestock. These houses are made of locally available materials. Timber houseboats are also made in the cities of hilly regions where land is costly and large-sized water bodies exist. Bamboo is used for construction of houses in rural areas. There are many varieties of bamboos which are used for house construction. Frames of walls, roofs and floors are made with bamboos. Windows, doors and ventilators are also made up of bamboo. The average age of bamboo construction is 15 to 20 years. Tile roofing. Tile roofing is one of the oldest but still preferred method for roofing of rural houses. Tiles are manufactured from locally available soil. The low-cost housing building technologies for rural areas have been dealt with in this film. Though we have tried to cover most of the commonly used house building technologies, yet there remain many other technologies which exist in various other rural parts of India.